Hi everybody, Pat here from Everything RV by Pat. Today I'm taking a look at Desert Willow RV Resort in Hesperia, California. It is nestled right off of the freeway, Interstate 15 in San Bernardino County, California. Some of the things that it features are pull-through spaces, anywhere from 67 to 97 feet long. There are a whole bunch of 47 to 61 foot back-end spaces. It features full hookups in all of their spaces. Both 30 and 50 amp power is available. All spaces supply water, sewer, and cable. It has a beautiful pool, a jacuzzi. It has also amenities such as a laundry facility and bathrooms and showers, including a pool table as well. It is a pet-friendly resort with a gated community. The gates close at approximately 6 p.m. I'll take you on a little drive throughout the park as I continue to talk. The pool is heated from May to October. The spa is heated year-round. In this drive, I show you a few of the sites. Hopefully you can see it. I sped up the video because you can only go 10 miles an hour in the park. However, this is going maybe 20 miles an hour. There are a lot of spaces that are vacant and available for reservations. This was taken on a crowded weekend, President's Day, 3-day weekend, where a lot of people come south for the winter. This is a great winter camping area in that it's very warm in the summer. Children playing, as you can see. Very warm in the summer. It's quite windy all year around. And as you look around, you can see most of the rigs are fairly recent, so it's not cluttered with old rigs or a lot of long-term people. There are a few, obviously, that are stationed here for a little bit longer than normal. A few park models, but most of the residents here are short-termers. On site, they have maintenance and management readily available. There is a library in the front. Also toward the front, there are barbecues and picnic tables with a large grass area. They do offer a discount to all Good Sam members and a senior citizens discount. We very much enjoyed our stay at this site and found the people and the management extremely nice. There was a couple of things that they could improve upon, which would lead me to rate this like a 9 out of 10. The trees, there's my rig. The trees in the pull-through sites could be trimmed up a little higher so that they're not scratching on your roof. And the pool table needed a little attention. But otherwise, it was a great experience. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you out on the road. Thanks for watching, everyone.